Would you like to live in a perfect remodeled home on a quiet street? You will love this 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with impact windows, saltwater pool, fenced yard, porcelain floors, vaulted ceilings, granite counters, stainless appliances, custom closets and much more. The open floor plan for you to entertain flows into the large patio and yard. With over $40,000 in upgrades after home was remodeled leaves nothing for you to do. You will love living in Sunrise on this street with no through traffic. Sunrise has many amenities, the Civic Center with gym, pools, basketball courts and much more. Close by is the Sawgrass Expressway, Sawgrass Mall, Bank Atlantic Center with concerts, hockey and much more. The beach and airport are just a short drive away, making this a perfect home in a perfect location.